What up, fellas and ladies? This is Luis, got GLI here. You can call me Luis if you want. So, on my last upload that I did yesterday, was about installing the intake and the CTS turbo muffler delete. You can go ahead and check it out if you want, if you missed it. So, today I got a video on the before and after on my intake. So, like I said on my last video, I said that I have videos on revving the car before installing the intake and after, but I do have one video that has the car, that has the intake in the car, and I'm actually like running it. You can actually hear everything, but I don't have a video where it's up before installing the intake. So sorry about that again. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you my before and after clips. Wasn't that great? Big difference when it makes the aftermarket stuff. Um, yeah, so far the car is great. I enjoy the sound that it makes. But other than that, yeah, it runs fine. I had no problems with it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Um, if you like this video, you can hit the like button. If you didn't like it, go ahead and dislike it if you want. Um, but yeah, if you'd like to see more videos like me working on my car, since it's a work in progress, you can click that subscribe button if you want. But yeah. Alright, so talk to you guys later. Hope to see you guys soon. Later.